Having an apprentice has definitely livened the place up. We can pass on knowledge. It's definitely, livened things up.
I'd recommend undertaking an apprenticeship because it gets you makes you feel like you're in the real world and gets you the experience you need.
Fareham College were very helpful. We did get let down by another college, and Fareham College jumped in last minute, ran us through the entire process, very helpful from start to finish.
With the college course I do a lot of stuff in the workshop, and then with the other periods we do some maths and some health and safety during the day.
Definitely more support available for me as a one-off example. All my time sometimes taken up in the office rather than in the shop, organising bits out here. So having an apprentice here it's really helpful.
I prefer really learning on the job sort of thing, working hands-on rather than being in college 5 days a week. I think I suit it more, and I don't really enjoy doing it if I'm constantly studying.
As for recommending them to other companies, as long as you don't need the experience in a very short space of time, apprenticeships are definitely the way to go.